Are you a business owner looking to work with the federal government? The very first step is registering your organization in SAM.gov. In this video, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, share tips to make it easier, and help you avoid common mistakes. SAM.gov, or the System for Award Management, is the official U.S. government website where businesses must register before they can bid on or receive federal contracts. Registration is completely free, but it can take time if you're not prepared. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary details. You'll need your Unique Entity Identifier, or UEI, which can be obtained in SAM.gov. You'll want to do this first before registering your business. It's a 12-character alphanumeric value assigned, managed, and owned by the federal government. It validates your organization's legal business name and address, ensuring your organization is what you say it is. You'll also need your business's legal name and physical address. You'll need the start year or year of incorporation, the state of incorporation, your bank account and routing numbers for federal payments, and your taxpayer identification number, or national identifier if outside the U.S. To register your entity in SAM.gov, you'll first need to sign up for an account. Click Sign in the upper right-hand corner of the SAM.gov page. You will be redirected to Login.gov. There you will follow the prompts, create an account, and secure it with a two-factor authentication. This login will be your gateway to all necessary federal systems. Once you have a Login.gov account, sign in to SAM.gov and select Entity Registrations. From there, you will enter your Unique Entity Identifier, provide your business details and points of contact, add your NAICS codes, which describe the industries your business operates in, and you will enter your banking information for payments. After completing each section, review carefully. Errors here are one of the most common reasons for delays. After submitting your registration, it can take a few days to a few weeks for SAM.gov to process your application. You'll get a confirmation email once your registration is active. Remember, you must renew your SAM registration every year to stay eligible. Here are the top mistakes businesses make when registering in SAM. Entering mismatched business names or addresses, forgetting to list NAICS codes, not renewing yearly. Avoid these and your registration process will go smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to register your business in SAM.gov. This is the foundation for winning federal contracts. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more federal contract tips, and drop your questions in the comments below.